Up first this evening, a spate of recent robberies in St. Elizabeth, raising more concerns among the business community in that parish. The business people claim criminals have found a way to outsmart the security forces in the towns. Despite the concerns of the business people, the police leadership in that parish remains elusive to provide answers about the developments. Our reporter journeyed to the parish this week and has this report.
Santa Cruz, a bustling rural town. Its walls plastered with "We are hiring" signs. This plaza behind me, yet another sign of real growth in the local economy. But gangsters are threatening to put an end to all of this.
Over the past few months, there has been a spate of robberies in the three major towns in the parish: Junction, Santa Cruz, and Black River. It is the most unfortunate, but I would not say to the residents to panic.
Santa Cruz alone has seen 7 robberies and break-ins in the last month. Added to the cases in Junction and Black River, the number is dozens so far this year. This last business place that was robbed by armed thugs in the parish closed for more than 3 days after. A note on the premises indicated it would reopen soon, but its staff were shaken up and needed the time off. Comparatively speaking, St. Elizabeth is a peaceful parish, with major crimes like armed robberies, murders and shootings previously rare occurrences. So why are criminals targeting the parish all of a sudden?
If you notice, for instance, in Black River, myriads of supermarkets have opened, So there's increased activity in the commercial sector. And this would be an enticement to, criminals and criminal-intended persons to come into the area. On the belief that there's a lot of cash passing between the owners of premises and purchasers, and also the belief that there's a lot of cash stored in these premises overnight.
I strongly believe it's as a result of the migration of the criminals into this area.
That with the pressure being placed on the crime-ridden areas like Montego Bay and Westmoreland at this time, criminals have been flushed out and they're going to areas that they consider softer target. So when they're here, they have no fear. They know that they can be out, in and out in 60 seconds. And they have never failed.
According to the business leaders, the criminals are outmaneuvering the police with seemingly simple but sinister plans.
The 2 incidents that I hear happen where prank calls were made to get the police away, and when the police go looking for suspects, as they were told, robberies are taking place elsewhere.
Sometimes they have inside jobs because you have the same people them sometimes that work with you, and them same one, talk to people on the outside and tell them what is going on the inside, and robbery happens sometimes.
We're in Black River in St. Elizabeth. This is the headquarters of the police in the parish. Yesterday, when I spoke with the commanding officer in charge of St. Elizabeth, she indicated she would be willing to speak. But when I got here today, she was in meetings all day. That's what I was told. Now, no doubt residents of the parish want to know what the police are doing to address this matter that is plaguing them. On Friday, we will tell you what suggestions the political directorate, residents and business people have put forward as possible solutions for the wave of robberies affecting parts of St. Elizabeth. DWAYNE Anderson, TVJ News.